Look at this. It says the first 4 terms of a linear sequence are this. What is the 10th of the sequence? So let's investigate if there is a common difference. 9 minus this will give us what? 4. 13 minus this will give us what? 4. This minus this will give us 4. So there is a common difference. Therefore, we can boldly say that what? This is an AP. Because sometimes you might not be given this. Okay? Now that we know that it's truly an AP, we can bring out this formula. Now, we are asked to find the 10th term. The first term is 5. And we are looking for the 3rd term, as you can see in this place. The common difference is 4. That is 5 plus 9 multiplied by 4. You agree with me that that is plus 36, which is 41. So this is what? 41.